What's going on, guys? My name is Zach, and today we're going to open up one Yu-Gi-Oh! Ghost from the Past, the second haunting display. This contains of, I think it's 5 boxes in total. 2 seconds. So let's see what we can end with. Can we end out with a Ghost Rare in the end? Is it possible to end with a Ghost Rare in this set? Well, I've proved it a lot in some of my other videos. Not on this channel, unfortunately, because, well, I didn't. What's it called? I didn't have the channel back then. But let's see what we end with. Down trash print. Time, Tini Spirit, Ashuna, Tini Spirit, Mapuria, Tetsuno, Zombie World, and Mystical Sand. Okay. That was trash, to be honest. That was the absolutely trash. Samsara Dragon, Flint Cracker, Plunder Patrol Liss, Glow of Bloom, and Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Okay, Ghost Trick Stein, Einstein, Insector Hornet, Plum Patrol Ship Morg, the Centurion of Passat, and Cyber Dragon. No! It got a. No! It's so awesome to see it in Ghost Rare, but no, it got damaged in the corner. Oh my god. Guys, that is sad. But I'm happy to pull a Ghost Rare. That is something. But that's so sad, guys. No. I hate when Ghost Rares get damaged in the corners. Code Radiator, Proxy Horse, Vampire Sucker, Rare Fish, and Master Hyberon. That is actually a little bit sad, guys. I'm sad now. Because it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like, okay, you pull a Ghost Rare, but yeah, the corner is damaged. So that rips away a couple of your value on the card already from there. Those little suckers I bought the cards from just thought, well, screw this guy, let's destroy his Ghost Rare. But guys, I don't feel like I have to say so much more. I just feel like I'm lucky because every time I open up this set, when I open up a display, aka 5 boxes, I always pull a Ghost Rare, so, or in the most cases. And we got Protector of the Ancients Moon. Can we end with another Ghost Rare? Yeah, let's just pull every freaking Ghost Rare from this set. No, that would be insane if I just called it there. Thespian Theater and Time Thief something. DD Necroslime, Sandwich, Isis Spoiler, DD Vice King, DD Vice King something. Okay, let's start out with Primal Dragon, Princess Colony, and Chaos Griever. I don't know, is there any difference when you... I think there's a little bit of difference. Ow. We've got a ghost rat. That's something. Always. I can't stop thinking about I pulled a ghost rat. First, ghost from past video opening, and I just punched the camera so hard, so it actually is about to fall. Please don't fall, camera. I love you. I'm saying that, and I struggle by opening a little box with packs inside. Come on. Guys, you wouldn't see my room right now because it's a mess. There's trash every freaking where in this room. Okay, let's start out with another Cyber Dragon pack. Can we end with that ghost rare? And this from this box. I don't know. I can't feel anything. Salamangreat Blaze Dragon, Jormungandr, Plunder Patrol Ship, and Time Thief Temper. A blue ice pack. I think there's actually a little bit of thing. Plunder Patrol again, Reptilia Egg. I think I can feel the difference when I get the ghost rares. Agent of Vampire Duro, Zombie World, and Vampire Sucker, Master Majesty Hyperion. Oh yeah, I can feel the difference. So let's just open the packs normally. And we got a DDD Destiny King Zero Laplace. Okay, 2 boxes left, guys. Can we end with another ghost rat? Let's see. Talkback, Double Warrior, Kiramak, make Final Sigma, and Generator Boss of Life. Okay, let's see. Altergeist, some Zombie Bird, something, and Galaxy Soldier. That's a cool reprint. That's a good pool actually. Come on. Wait. God, just ruining the pack. Proxy Horse, something, and Crystal Healthy Fibrox. Nice pool, but unfortunate, it's banned. Why am I pulling all the cards that is on the banned list? Because in one of my last videos I recorded, I pulled a Predator Plant thing that is on the banned list. We got the Eluber. Well, I doesn't kind of need it, but well, we still got one. I don't need this card, but again, I don't complain. We got a ghost rare, so I can't even complain. That is the sad part about all of this happiness in this world. I can't complain about my pools because I already got the godly pools. Okay, last 4 packs, guys. What are we ending with? A Dark Magician Ghost Rare? Dark Magician Girl, actually. Come on! Okay, it's a Ghost Rare that doesn't want to get out. I just know that now. We're going to save that for last. Infernary. And another Healthy Fibrex. But we got one of them. Now we just need 8 more. Wow. Vision Hero increase. Just spoiling it. Let us just spoil everything then. Chronicle Magician. It is a ghost rare. We know that now. And okay, it's a black or dark magician, the Dragon Knight. Okay, a couple of cool pulls, but again, why is it every time first box I pull a ghost rare, Cyber Dragon? That is nice to look at. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed, and if you watched this video, I hope you enjoyed. That was what I was going to say. So please make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, because you wouldn't miss this type of videos. But we got a ghost rare for you guys, so please leave a like, subscribe. We'll see each other next time I open up some packs. Peace out.